Do you struggle with getting your drum rolls fast and clean? If so, I've got 4 tips for you to help you get your drum rolls faster and cleaner. Before we get started, I'm Kevin Prince and thank you for checking out my channel. And if you're new to my channel and or drumming, hit the subscribe button down in the corner and visit my drummer101.com website, sign up and I'll give you free lessons sent straight to your email. Now let's get into it. Tip number 1, you'll see a lot of drummers go and play with their pinkies off of the stick, especially when they're trying to play fast drum rolls on the snare drum. They'll get something that sounds like this, which doesn't sound terrible, but when you play on a surface with no rebound, you don't have any multiple stroke bounce, giving you a lot less control. Keep the pinkies on the stick and you'll get a much cleaner sound. One exercise you can do is hold the sticks up towards the taper and keep your pinkies on. Play your rudiments, single strokes, double strokes. This exercise will ensure you that you keep your fingers on the stick and help you maximize your control. Using that same technique, holding the sticks down towards the bottom of the stick, you're not going to experience that problem with your pinkies coming off. Tip number 2, play on surfaces with no rebound, such as a pillow. Set that guy up there. You're going to have no bounce coming from this pillow. You play your rudiments on that. You're going to feel some burning in your forearm, and that's a good thing because what's happening is your muscles are developing muscle memory, and that's going to help you control the stick right. And then when you play on surfaces that have a little bit more rebound, there's going to be less give. This is the same thing as putting a donut on a bat and swinging it and then taking the donut off, or running on a sandy beach and then running on pavement. So you're basically eliminating that resistance once you go back to a surface with some rebound, and your rolls are going to sound a lot cleaner. Tip number 3, use heavy sticks. What this is going to do is similar to tip number 2, but when you use heavy sticks, the stick can react different than it will with your normal sticks, treating your muscles or training your muscles differently. So you're going to have a little bit more rebound and it's going to be a little bit more dense feeling. And then when you go back down to your sticks, it's again like that baseball donut analogy, taking the donut off the baseball bat or running on a sandy beach and then running on pavement. It's going to be a whole lot easier when you go down to your normal sticks on surfaces with a little bit of rebound. So you got your heavy sticks. Try to hold a double stroke roll for 2 minutes. Set a timer. Don't speed up, don't slow down, just try to hold it there. Then go back to your normal sticks, and it's gonna feel really different going from your heavy sticks back to your normal sticks. It's like dropping a whole bunch of weight, and then your fingers are gonna react different on your normal sticks. It's a lot easier, and that technique just shapes up real fast. All right, tip number 4, play 2 beats or a half measure of any rudiment slow, and then double the speed on the second half. In this case, we're going to play double stroke rolls. And for beats 1 and 2, we're going to play 1 and 2 and then 3 and 4, we're going to play 3E and a 4E and. So going from 8th notes to 16th notes. And we're just going to go back and forth. Here we go. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, bonus tip. Combine tips 2 and 3 and use heavy sticks on surfaces with no rebound, and that's going to double your efforts to get the roll to sound good. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, go back down to your normal sticks on your practice pad. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. All right, guys, there you have it. A few tips on developing your hand speed and control. Remember to check out my website, drummer101.com, and download that free reference guide. Get those lessons sent straight to your email, and I'll see you next time.